India is moving to strengthen its air and missile defenses amid regional threats. Prime Minister Modi's upcoming visit could bring technology transfers, enabling a Made in India Iron Dome system. This move also signals deep strategic cooperation with Israel on security and defense innovation. Here's a report.
India's air defense systems had put up a spectacular performance during Operation Sindoor. Pakistani missiles failed to enter India's airspace due to the indigenously built Akash Tir and S-400 surface-to-air missile systems. But Operation Sindoor also shows that India cannot afford to lower its guard in a hostile neighborhood. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Israel soon, and India is now eyeing Israel's made weaponry to further fortify its borders. During this visit, it is now believed that India can get Israel to also share their defense technology with us. Which means the Iron Dome, the Israeli air defense system, which repeatedly countered rockets from Hamas, Hezbollah and Iran, could be very well made in India soon. Made in India Iron Domes will dramatically reduce the cost per engagement. Iron Dome is very effective against drone swarms and small UAV threats. It also adds a short-range layer to India's existing defense systems. It has a speed of light engagement with high precision and minimum collateral damage. Iron Dome is also ideal for protecting cities, critical infrastructure and air bases. Not only this, India is also looking at Israel's advanced drones, long-range missiles and laser-based defense systems in order to integrate them into its security infrastructure. If formalized, the new agreements could significantly strengthen India's air and missile defense capabilities while deepening its strategic partnership with Israel amid shifting regional security dynamics. Bureau Report, India Today.